By the way, I can scroll to the bottom and see where I'm at so far. I have 2 out of 5. Excuse me, I have 2 points out of 11, and I've answered 2 out of the 5 questions so far. So back down to the next kind of question. This is a short answer question. In short answer question, the form of the answer is strictly enforced. However, there could be multiple correct answers or multiple ways to phrase the right answer. So this is the hardest type of question for the application to to evaluate or to score or to work with, or some variation on that. And by the way, I have a little instructions button here that gives you even more help in what exactly goes in that blank. The answer to this question is a single word or phrase, blah, blah, blah. And I can close that up again, click save, and let's see if evaluate was one of the answers that it was looking for. If it isn't, I can try again. And in this case, evaluate was one of the answers, as well as score was also one of the answers. Notice score is correct as well. Okay, now to the kind of these questions, the file upload questions are really the heart of the application. And these file upload questions require me to create a file and then upload it. So in a file upload question, you prepare a structured file and upload it for media evaluation. You can upload as many times as you want until you have the evaluation you're satisfied with. Here's the evaluation down here. In this case, a very simple evaluation. And this file here, try this type of question, create a text only, use Notepad or some other text editor, produce a file called trial upload XML that has only this one line in it. In other words, I'm going to copy this line, go over here to Notepad, paste that one line in Notepad, and save the file as. By the way, to avoid having Notepad put a TXT extension on my document, I have to choose all files here. Let me go back up to my favorite temp directory here. Call this, what do we have to call it? Trial upload XML. Okay, I'm in the temp directory, trial upload XML, save that. Okay, now I go over here, click upload the file button. I get a little place where I can upload it. Browse for trial upload XML, which I remember I put in the temp directory. Trial upload XML. There it is. Upload it. And I'll get an evaluation of it. There it is. Notice that this file lit up and that I can also click on it to either download that file or see it. So in this case, I'll just open it. Oh, actually it's going to try to open it in there it is. It opened it in Oxygen. So I can re-upload it if I want to, but in this case I look at my evaluation. It was 2 points and I got all the points, so I got 2 out of 2 for this question. I'm good. And that's all there is to it. Of course, in many of the file upload questions, it's not going to be quite so easy as typing a single line into a text file. That's the idea, right? These are extended exercises that test you on big parts of the course. Okay, now we have this final kind of question. It's a triggered question, and it ran all by itself. This trial upload XML, this is the one that I just uploaded. You uploaded this file in another place. The place was right here. Right, that's where I uploaded it, right there. And then this trial upload XSD is a schema file that's been applied to that, and the validation was successful. Therefore, I got 2 points out of that question. Sometimes these automatic questions have points associated with them. Sometimes they don't have points associated with them. Sometimes they're just there to show you the results of what you just did. Other times they actually perform quite a bit of an evaluation. All right, so those are the different kinds of questions. Those are the ways that you will do work in this class. You'll answer multiple choice questions, you'll answer fill-in questions, you'll answer short answer questions, and you'll also answer these file upload questions. And of course, the file upload questions are the ones that are most extensive and carry the most points with them because they have the most for you to do. And that's about it. We'll talk about where you see all your scores in the next lecture.